Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number one. Yes, day number one. This has to be, I think, week 13 for 2024 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. Let's head up. Today is Monday, Tuesday. My name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday. Good day, Monday the 25th of November, 2024. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is area word problems. Area word problems.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I shuffle my pencil, please?
So we can quickly. All right. So we're looking at area word problems.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Do we need a ruler for this?
Yes, you definitely do need a ruler.
Can I get my ruler, please?
You can. So I want us to draw this image. So we have this box. Now this one is going to be the big box. And then let me shape format. It's gonna be shape fill, no fill, white. Shape outline.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I get the ruler too, please?
Yeah. And then inside of it, we have to draw something else inside. So this is also just like this. And then let's say that this is, let's go inside. Let's say that this is, there we go. We also have to name it. So to say this says that this is the floor mat. On the inside. This is the floor mat, right? And then we have Joshua's bedroom floor. Joshua's bedroom floor. Okay. So draw the diagram for me, please. Now on the diagram, we're gonna say that that this right here, let's say that this is 9 feet. Okay, let's say that this is 9 feet. Let's say that this here is.
I can't see it on the top.
It's just the same thing that it was, just a regular rectangle.
I mean, what does that say at the top?
1 second. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Joshua's bedroom floor. And then, so on the side is 9 feet. At the bottom here is 12 feet. We're also gonna say that as for this one, say that this is 15 feet. This is for the outer. Let me change the color. This one is for the outer rectangle. So it's gonna be for the outer rectangle. It's going to be 15 feet. 15 feet. And then this is gonna be 12 feet. About 17 feet out. Okay, so this is area word problems. So we have the floor mat, which is 9 feet on this side, 12 feet on this side. We have the entire bedroom floor, which is 17 feet in length and 14 feet wide. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. So the first question says, this is part A. Find the area of the floor mat. Find the area of the floor mat. That's the first question. Find the area of the floor mat.
Mr. Petit. The area is everything that is in the box, or?
Yes. So the area. Excuse me. Go ahead.
Wait, does area means like S times W?
Yes, very good. So the area is going to be length times width. Well, area for a rectangle is length times width. All right. So we have here this rectangle. They say they want the area of the floor mat. So the floor mat is going to be 9 feet here, and it's going to be 12 feet here. That's the floor mat. All right. Now, what shape is this? What shape is the floor mat?
That's a rectangle.
Class, which is the shape of this floor mat?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle, very good.
Rectangle. Good morning, Miss Petit.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me, Lincoln?
Yes, sir. My internet is down right now.
Your
So,
internet is down.
yeah.
Okay. Can you turn your camera, or your camera is not working? Where's Tajane? Okay. Where's Tajane?
I'm here.
Okay, I can see you now. Tajane, what's the shape of this floor mat?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. There we go. It's rectangle. And it's Kaden. Kaden, turn your camera, please. And so what we have here is we have to figure out the area of the floor mat. Now, in order for us to figure out the area formula for a rectangle, the area is going to be, y'all know the formula for area of a rectangle? What is it? Y'all know?
Length
Length times width. Length times width. All right, so it's going to be length times width.
I think I did this before.
Length times width. So the area is going to be the length of it, the length multiplied by, I should put the multiplication symbol there. Length multiplied by width. That's the area of a rectangle, any rectangle. All right.
Does it have to be a rectangle?
Well, this shape is a rectangle. So for a rectangle, the area is length times width.
What about a circle?
Circle, that's a different formula. It's gonna be length multiplied by It's a multiplication symbol. Multiplied by width. Now the length is the longest side. Again, the length is the longest side. So what is the length?
The length is
The length of the floor mat now. The length of the floor mat. So we have 9 feet and we have 12 feet. So which one is
12 feet.
which side is the longest?
12.
12 feet.
12
The top
feet.
on the bottom.
12 feet. 12 feet is the longest, right? So
Yes.
so 12 feet would be the longest side of this rectangle. All right. So that's 12 feet. And then what's the width?
9 feet.
The width is 9 feet.
9 feet.
So the length is 12 feet and the width is 9 feet. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to be 12 feet. 12 feet multiplied by what?
9 feet.
9 feet.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
do they have other words in math for length and width, or there's just length and width?
You have length, width, and height, but height is different than length and width. Okay, so what is 12 feet times 9 feet? What is that?
72 feet.
12 times 9.
72.
72.
No?
I mean 108. 108.
Oh,
108.
108.
108.
108. 12 times 9 is 108.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
Can you mute my mic for me, please? It's not allowing me to mute.
Yes, I can. So it's going to be 12 feet squared. Again, it's going to be 12 feet squared because feet multiplied by feet is feet squared. It's going to be 12 feet squared. And when we say squared, it means to the power of 2. Okay. And so that's how we find the area of the floor mat. So the area of the floor mat is going to be the length of the floor mat, right? Multiplied by the width of the floor mat, which is 9. So 12 times 9. Again, 12 times 9, and 12 times 9 is 108. All right. Do we understand that? Let me know if you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Why would
sir.
you have the power of 2? That's my question.
Yes,
Why is it
sir.
to the power of 2? Okay,
Yes.
because feet times feet is feet squared. All right. Feet times feet is feet squared. All right.
Also, do we have to do that when we have feet?
You always have to do that when you have area, when you're dealing with area.
Yes.
Kaden, where's Kaden? You understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Herman, do you understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Wynette, you understand this? Wynette, do you
Yes.
understand? And Madeline, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Explain how we got 108 feet, Madeline.
By multiplying the length and width.
What is the length?
12 feet times 9 feet.
Continue.
Equals 108 feet squared.
Thank you. Equals 108 feet square. Okay, so let's move on to the other one. So what we just figured out, we figured out the area of this floor mat. Now, area means, right? Area means how many? Area means how many or how much space is inside of this two-dimensional object. That's what we mean by area. Like how much space is inside of this two-dimensional shape. How much space is inside of it? Like how many square units is inside of this particular shape? That's what we mean by the area. Okay. So we figured out that it is 108 feet squared. Okay, let's move on. So we got that. The next question is question B. Write this down for me, please. We want to find the area of the entire floor. Find the area of the entire floor. Find the area of the entire floor. Anyone think they know how to do that one? Find the area of the entire floor.
Length times width times height.
No. It's still a two-dimensional object, so.
I think 17 times 15.
Say it again.
I think it's 17 times 15.
15.
17 times 15.
Yes, so because that's around the whole area.
Very good. I agree with you fully. So in order for us to find the area of the entire floor, you have to figure out the area of this whole rectangular thing. All right? This whole rectangular thing. Now, its shape is a rectangle, and what's the shape? What's the area of a rectangle in general? The formula for the area of a rectangle is going to be what?
1, 2, 3, 4.
The formula for our area of a rectangle is what?
Do you mean like
The formula. What's the formula?
length times width?
Length times width. Very good. So the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. And so we're going to use that for this one. And so we say that it's going to be area is going to be length times width. Area is going to be length times width. What is the length? What is the width in this case?
The length is 15 feet.
No. What is the length?
It's 17 feet.
The length is 17. Why is the length 17?
Because it's the longest.
The longest. Very good.
Longest.
It's first longest. And then the width is what?
15 feet.
15 feet. So let's multiply that. When y'all multiply, what y'all got? 15.
255.
255.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let's multiply. So we have 17. We have 17. We have 17 times 15. So we have 5 times 7, which is what?
35.
35. Put the 5 down, put the 3 up. 5 times 1 is what?
5.
Plus 3?
8.
8. Put a 0 down. 1 times 7 is?
7.
7.
7.
1 times 1 is?
1.
1. All over. Plus 5 plus 0 is?
5.
5. 8 plus 7 is?
15.
15.
Put the
15.
5 down.
Put the
1.
5, carry the 1.
Put a 5 with 1. Carry the
1 plus 1
1
is?
plus 1 is 2.
2.
2. Very good.
2. So the answer is 255.
Very good. So it's going to be equal to? So the area, 255 what?
Feet.
255 what?
Feet.
No.
55 feet. Square.
Feet, feet squared.
Square feet. Feet
Square.
Feet squared or square
I
feet?
was close.
Yeah.
I got it.
You got it? Yeah. Feet squared, square feet, same thing. All right. Asia, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Wynette, where's Wynette? Wynette, can you explain how we got the area of the entire floor? Can you explain how we got the area of the entire floor?
So we
multiply 17 by 15 would give so 255. Then we also add foot, which is foot squared.
Feet squared. That's the units. And that's the units for area. It's always units squared. Now the next question, part C, is they want us to figure out, they say find the area of the surface that is not covered, by the floor mat. Find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. All right, so we want to find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. And so here we have the floor mat, all right? And our goal is to find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat, So when they say they want us to find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat, let me show you what area, what part that they want us to find. They want us to figure out the area of this portion, right? This portion, the portion that is not covered by the floor mat. They want us to find the area of this part in purple. This is the part that is not covered by the floor mat. So it's inside the bedroom, but it's not covered by the floor mat. And they want us to figure out what is the area of this spot, the area of the shaded region, right? So how can we find the area of the shaded region, i.e., how can we find the area of this part that is in purple, this part that is not covered by the floor mat? What think we're gonna do?
Length times width.
But remember, we just want, this is not a rectangle, you know. We just want the outside of it. All right?
Length times width.
Length times width is only for rectangles. Any ideas? Madeline?
Yes, sir.
Do you know? How are we gonna find the area of the thing that's surrounding?
I think, no. I think I do.
What would you do? This comes in your, by the way, this is an exact GLAT paper question. I did not make this up.
Can I try?
This is an exact GLAT paper. So you inside the GLAT exam and you have to answer this. What would you do? Go ahead, Najara.
And will we multiply?
Nope.
Will we add?
Will we divide?
Nope.
Will we subtract?
Yes. You would subtract. All right, so what we're gonna subtract? We're going to, because let me just explain to you what's happening, right? So we have this bedroom, and we have the floor mat inside of it. Now we know the area of the entire bedroom. We know the area of the entire bedroom. But what we want to find is we want to figure out the area when we take out the floor mat. So basically we want to figure out what is the area without the floor mat included. So that means that we have to take the answer we got from this one and the answer we got from that one and do what with it?
Subtract.
Subtract those two. Subtract those two. All right. So let's go ahead and do that.
Oh, my answer is completely wrong.
So we have area is going to be equal to it's going to be equal to what? Area of
I subtracted.
entire floor minus what? Minus area of what? Area of floor mat.
The floor.
Yeah. And so what we have is, Maya, stop playing with that stuff. We have the area. What's the area of the floor?
That would 108.
No, the area of, yeah, I mean, not floor, the area of the entire floor, sorry.
250. No, 255.
Yes, 255 feet squared, and the area of the entire floor mat minus 108 feet squared. So the area is going to be equal to 255 minus 108.
147 feet squared.
255 minus 108. What you'll get when y'all subtract them?
147 feet.
147.
147. 147 what?
Feet squared.
Feet squared. Okay. Let's go ahead and subtract. So we have, someone mic is on. Okay, so we have 255 minus 108. All over. 5 minus 8 is what? Can we do that?
We have to
I mean, no, so we have to, regroup.
Yeah, so this is going to be, we minus this, it's going to be what, 4? And we bring this here, it's going to be 15. 15 minus 8 is what?
7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's going to be what?
7.
7. Very good. 4 minus 0 is what?
4.
4. 2 minus 1?
1.
1.
1.
Very good. So this means that this is going to be what?
147 feet squared.
147 feet squared.
147 feet squared. Lorenda, do you understand that? Where's Lorenda? Lorenda, are you there? Where's Lorenda?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this? Do you understand this, Lorenda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Who is CS? Who is CS? I don't know who that is.
I was
Yes,
wondering
sir.
the same thing.
Who's that?
That's me.
Who's CS?
Alora.
Alora, okay. Alora. Okay, good. Do y'all have this written down? Do you have this written down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Perfect. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Can I get my phone?
Yes, we can. Quickly.
Just
Again, take a picture of this and send
Can
it
I
to
get
me
my
via WhatsApp.
mother's phone, please?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Yeah, see, my mother's not here and nobody said it.
Okay. Go ahead, Vanette.
My phone is dead and I also don't have my mom around me.
Okay. I just saw her a while ago. She already left.
So,
Okay. You have to send it once she come back or once your phone gets charged. Alora, where's Alora?
Here.
Please turn your camera. Asia, turn your camera as well. All right, again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Alora, can you explain how we got part C, please? How we got part C? What did we do? Did we add? Did we subtract? Did we multiply? What did we do to get an answer for number 5? I mean, for part C. Subtract. Very good. What did we subtract?
255.
Very good. That's our answer. That's our answer from this case, right?
Yes, sir.
We subtract 255 and what else?
108.
And 108. Very good. And then that's how we get. What do we get?
147.
147. Good. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and do another question. Are y'all done with this before I move on? Are y'all completed with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. All right, let's do more example. Let's say example 2. Example number 2. All right, example number 2. We have to draw our underline, red, all right, let's put this over. All right, let's go ahead and answer this question. We have, let me go ahead and get this for you. That's all we need. Move on, moving right along.
Excuse me, Miss Boutique.
Go ahead.
I joined in on another laptop just in case because
Okay.
my laptop.
Okay. No problem. That's fine. All right, so we're gonna call this one. Still gonna be a floor mat. Let me just change the color. I'll change this color. Okay, it's gotta be. Okay, so all right. Can I hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we have let me change the text. Let's say Joshua. Let's say Herman's bedroom floor. Okay, so for this one we have Let's say this is 13 feet. All right. And let's say that this is 8 feet. And then for the width, let's go 16. No, let's go 18. I mean, sorry, for the length, let's go 18 feet. And 16 feet. All right, so moving right along, we have, it says here, find the area of the floor mat. That's the first question. We know the next question is, but let's do this first. Find the area of the floor mat. What are we gonna do for this one? What are we gonna do for the area of the floor mat?
Length times width.
Length times width.
Length,
Anyone got the answer yet? For this one? Anyone got the answer yet? Length times width. We have to multiply. What we have to multiply area is gonna be equal to.
I got my answer.
What you got?
104 feet squared.
104 feet squared. Okay.
Yes.
I got that too.
So we have what? What's the length? What's the length of this thing?
The length would be 8.
The length is what?
The length. Wait.
So length.
The length would be 8.
No.
Oh, 13.
What's the length? 13. Yes, 13. 1 second. 1 second. All right, so we have length times width. The length is gonna be what? 13 feet, right?
Yes.
And the width is going to be
8 feet.
8 feet.
8 feet.
8 feet. So the length is 13 feet. The width is what? 8 feet. And so the area, therefore, is going to be what? We have to do 13 times what? 13 times 8.
8.
So we have 13 times 8. So 13 times 8. 8 times 3 is what?
24. 24.
8 times 3 is, wait, let me do this on the other side. Let me do this on this side. So it's going to be 13 times 8. So 8 times 3 is 24. Madeline, you have to set up. You have to set up. All right. 8 times 3 is what?
24.
24. Put the 4 down.
And
put
the 2.
the 2 up. 8 times 1 is what?
8.
8 plus 2?
10.
10. So it's going to be what?
104.
104. Very good. And so that means that the area is going to be what? 104 what?
104 feet squared.
Feet squared. Very good. 104 feet squared. All right, that's the area of the floor mat, 104 feet squared. B is going to be, we're going to find the area of the what? The entire what? The entire floor. Then how are we gonna get this? How are we gonna find the area of the entire floor? What are we gonna do?
By multiplying 16 feet times 18 feet.
Very good. By multiplying 16 feet times 18 feet. And so we know that area is length times width. And so we're gonna do 18 feet. Let's do 18 feet multiplied by 8 feet. 18 feet multiplied by 16 feet. So we have area is going to be 18 feet multiplied by 16 feet. When that, you already multiply these two. Let's see. 18 feet and 16 feet. You already multiply them. I can't hear you.
So,
Say it again. Say it again.
so
Okay. Let's multiply it together. So we have,
Got my answer.
what you got, Maya?
288 feet squared.
Say it again.
288 feet squared.
288. All right. So we have 18 multiplied by
I got my answer too.
16. What you got?
288 feet squared.
Okay, good. Maya, what is 6 times 8?
48.
And Winnet, what is 6 times 8?
48.
Very good. We put the 8 down. And we bring the 4 what?
On
Above.
top.
What is 4 times 1, Maya? Winnet.
Pardon?
What is 6 times 1?
6.
Plus 4?
10.
10. It's going to be 108. What do we do now? What do we do now?
Put the 0 down as a placeholder.
Very good. Put the 0 down as a placeholder. We have 1 times 8, which is what?
8.
8. And 1 times 1, which is what?
1.
1. Add them. 8 plus 0 is what?
8.
8. 8 plus 0 is
8.
8. 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. So the answer here is what?
288 feet squared.
288 feet squared. 288 feet squared. So the area is going to be 288 feet squared. Okay. Now we have to figure out what is the area of the surface that is not covered. That is not covered. So it's going to be C. Find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. Lorenda, what are we going to do to get this? Lorenda?
I don't think she can hear you.
Oh, yeah. Lorenda, can you hear me?
I think she can.
I could hear you now, Mr. Petit.
How are we gonna find C? We're gonna find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. What we have to do?
You're going to subtract your two answers.
Very good. We have to subtract our two answers. And so
You're going to
we're gonna subtract. So to find the area of the not covered, so it's gonna be area of the floor minus the area of the floor mat. So area of the entire floor minus the area of the floor mat. So that means that area is gonna be equal to what? What is the area of the entire
I
floor?
got my
What is the area of the entire floor? 200 and what?
288
288 feet squared minus
minus 104 feet squared.
104 feet squared. Very good. Minus 104 feet squared. Minus 104 feet squared. And so we have that the area is going to be equal to 288 feet squared minus 104 feet squared. It gives us what? 100 and what?
184 feet squared.
Very good.
184.
184 feet squared. And the way how we got that is we
Subtract
subtracted.
100.
Definitely we subtract. So we have it's gonna be 288. Please show working. Show all the working. 288 minus 184. Kaden, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Herman, you understand this? Herman, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0.
I got my answer.
What you got?
104.
I'm sorry. I subtracted the wrong thing. I supposed to subtract 288 and 104. And so 8 minus 4 is what?
4.
4. 8 minus 0 is
8.
8. And 2 minus 1?
1.
1. So it's going to be 184.
84.
184. 184. Lincoln, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Herman, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Najari, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Madeline, sit up, sit up. You're slouching too much. Come on. Legacy, you understand this?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Good.
I have a question, Miss
Alright.
Petit.
Go ahead.
If we do not put the feet squared on GLAT, will we get that wrong?
Yeah, if you do not put the feet square, that means it's not fully right. You wouldn't get full marks. I want you all to take a
would
picture
we
of
get
this. Yeah, I think they'll give you a half point. But you need to get, because you need to put the feet squared. That's the units. All right. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then we could begin. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right.
Mr. Petit.
Mhm.
Are we going to do Google Form?
No, not today. No Google Forms. Um, all right. Please take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that for me. All right. Asia, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I need y'all to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's what I need y'all to do. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
You didn't see my mother's not yet.
Okay.
I sent you my work, Mr. Petit. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
I sent my work.
I see that as well. Um, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, let's go ahead and Madeline, do you have a ruler? You need to use a ruler to draw it.
I have a ruler in my bag.
Yeah, go get your ruler so you can look.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite.
Uh-huh.
While I go get my ruler, may I use the bathroom?
Quickly. All right. Let's go ahead and answer these questions based on this. Do we understand how to do this? I mean, if y'all understand how to do this so far.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, good. So let's do a
Yes,
graded
sir.
exercise on this. It's gonna be graded exercise number 1.
I sent my work. Did you see it?
1 second. Let's say we have Caden's bedroom floor. Let's move all this stuff. Let's say that we have for the inside, let's say that it is 12 feet. Write this down, Caden. 12 feet and 7 feet.
Excuse me, Mrs. B, can I get my ruler? I think it went somewhere.
Let's quickly get your ruler. Let's say that this is 16 feet. And let's say that this is 14 feet. All right. So we have question number 1. You're gonna find the area of the floor, Matt. That's number 1. Number 2, we're gonna find the area of the entire floor. And number 3, we're gonna find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. That's what we want to do for this question. Make sure do it to the best of your ability. Again, do it to the best of your ability. Asia, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay. Make sure I draw it properly. Please move the cat. Please move the cat. Let the cat go. Legacy, what do you understand what to do? Legacy, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Lorendo, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Najari, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And Wynette, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Maya, you understand what to do? Um,
Excuse me, Mr. Petite. May I go and sharpen my pencil, please?
yes, you can quickly. Madeline, you understand what to do, Madeline?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Asia, do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Tajane, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Maya, put the cat away. Put the cat away. Najara,
Yes, sir.
what number you on?
I'm on B.
Okay, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir. I'm on C now.
Okay. Herman, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay. Madeline, what number you on? Or what letter you on rather? Madeline, what letter you on?
I'm on A.
A, okay. Um, Wynette, what letter you on?
B.
B. Okay.
You can finish.
Who says that finish? Lorenda, you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a picture of it and send it to me, please. Okay, what's up? And Majara, what number you on?
I'm answering two.
You're answering.
I'm answering.
You're
I
ans-
mixed. I
Okay.
mixed it.
Okay.
Those are Mr. Petite.
Go ahead.
I'm done.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
I sent it, Mr. Petit.
All right.
Mr. Betsy, you're breaking up a lot.
All right now. You say you finished. Did you send your picture of it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Lorenda, you didn't draw the thingy. Draw the diagram for me,
I
please.
was going to draw it on the back page, so I would have space.
Okay.
work on it.
Okay. Draw it and send it to me, please. Kaden, you finish?
I'm on B.
All right. Is there anyone else who's finished?
I'm finished. I'm finished, Betsy.
You finished?
I'm finished too.
Okay, good, perfect. Perfect, good. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me
Yes,
via
can
WhatsApp.
I use the restroom real quick?
Yes, you can, quickly. Again, take
Mr. Petite,
Go ahead.
my mom went on the island.
Are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Put your answers in the chat, please.
Okay.
Mr. Petit,
Mm-hmm.
my Wi-Fi is like a bit slow right now, so it might send like a little late.
A little later, but you already sent it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, perfect. I need you to do the work inside the chat. For those of you who are finished, I need you to do the work that's inside the chat, please.
I sent the picture of my work.
Good. Madeline, what, are you finished?
I'm on B.
You want B, okay.
I'm back, Mr. Betsy.
Good. For those of you who are finished, I need you to do the work that's in the chat. It's 3 questions. If you're finished, I need you to do the work that's in the chat.
Can you send it to my mommy's number, please? The picture?
You can't see it in the chat?
No, sir.
Okay, I could do that. Um,
Excuse me,
Age,
Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
When you call, I might be a little bit slow to answer because I'm on the chat and it's hard to come off the chat.
Okay, I understand. You finished with the first one?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your work?
Yes, sir. It's loading.
Wait,
Loading,
excuse
okay.
me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
On the second one, do we have to write the shit
For the
or just put
second,
the answer?
for the second one, draw the image and find the area of those shapes. Okay, draw the image and find the area of those shapes. All right.
So draw the shape.
Yes, draw it. Yes, draw it.
I sent you my work, Mr. Petit.
Yes, I saw it. Asia, you finished?
Almost.
Okay. Lynette, what number you on?
The first one and the second one.
Okay. Kaden,
That's why you need to tell me to answer my question.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Are you finished, Kaden?
What you supposed to do?
Um,
I have to think so. I wouldn't think so.
what number you on?
I'm on C. That little folder.
Okay. Allura, where's Allura?
Yeah.
What letter you on? A, B, or C?
A.
Okay. You understand what to do?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Mr. Petit.
1 second, Legacy. Allura,
Yes, sir.
turn your camera for me, please. Let me help you with the first one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second, I'm speaking to Allura. Go ahead. Allura, read A.
Find the area of the floor mat.
Find the area of the floor mat. Do you know how to do that? But we have to multiply.
Yes, sir.
But we have to multiply. To find
7 times 12.
say it again.
7 times 12.
Very good. And to find the area of the entire floor, what we have to do? Find the area of the entire floor. It's going to be length times width again, but this time we have to multiply 16 by 14. All right, 16 by 14. You understand that? You understand that? Allura, we got to
Yes.
multiply 16 by 14. And
Yeah.
then, 1 second, and then to find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat, we have to subtract our answer from A and B. All right? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Quickly do that for me, please.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Najara.
I'm on the second one. Is that on the first one? Is that a square?
That's a rectangle.
On the first one?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. On 10 feet, do we still put the square instead of inches?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm finished. Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I'm finished with the picture.
Finish with the second one.
Yes, sir. Want me to take a picture and send it to you?
Yes, do that for me, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I was asking, since it's of inches, do we still put squared?
It's gonna be inches squared this time.
Thank you.
Anyone else finished with the thing in the chat?
Yeah. Excuse me, I'm finished. They graded
I'm
it.
done with the first one, Mr. Petit.
You done with the first one? Okay, notice that I sent the next one. Please do that.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Can you send the next one to my mommy, please?
I already did.
Okay, thank you.
Um, Najara would number one.
I'm on third one on the second one.
Okay. Allura, what letter are you on?
Number B.
B?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Madeline, what are you working on, Madeline?
I'm on the one that was sent in the chat.
Take a picture of the first one first before you move on to that. Take a picture of the first one first before you move on to that.
You want me to take a picture of the first one too?
Yes, take a picture of the first one before you move on to the second one.
My mother's not home still.
Yeah, when she comes home, then you could do that. Wynette, what are you working on?
The third one. I'm trying to upload it.
Okay, and Herman, where's Herman?
I'm here.
No,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second. Herman, what letter are you on?
I'm in the chat. Letter A.
Ready?
Number one.
Ready? Finish with the first three.
Um,
The first.
I haven't finished C yet.
Why? Why you didn't do C? Do you know what to do for C?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, do C for me, please. You understand me, Herman?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm finished with the first one.
Finish with the first one. Take a picture of it and send to me, please, via WhatsApp. All right, let's go ahead and answer these questions. Okay, let's go ahead and answer these questions.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I was something happened and I ended up leaving the Zoom, so everything in the chat.
You can't see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for the area of the floor, what we have to do to figure out the area of the floor, what do we have to do? We have to multiply what? Hello? For the area of the floor, what do we have to do?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Petit. I was trying to get out the thing. We have to multiply. We have to do L times width.
Length times width.
Length times.
So it's going to be not 15, 16, right? It's going to be
12 times 7.
12 times 7.
12 times 7, that's correct. So it's going to be 12 feet multiplied by 1,
7 feet.
7 feet. That equals to what?
84 feet.
So 12 feet. 12 feet multiplied by 7 feet is 84 feet. Very good. 84 feet. 84 feet what?
Squared.
84 feet squared. Good.
Mr. P, I'm now on the third one.
Perfect. Then we have find the area of the entire floor. What is that going to be?
You would have to multiply 16 times 14.
Very good. 16 feet.
Hi.
Times 14.
Times 14. Herman, what you got for B?
I didn't put my answer yet.
You have to answer it, Herman. What is 16 times 14? What is 16 times 14? That's going to be what?
Mr. Petit, are you talking to us or
Yes.
her?
All of
That
you.
would be 224 squared feet.
Very good. 224 feet squared. Anyone got the answers for number 1 and number 2?
I did.
I did.
Anyone else got number 1 and number 2? Herman, you got the answer for number 1?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm finished with the
With the-
second one you put inside the chat.
That's good. Now find the area of the surface that is not covered by the floor mat. What we're gonna do, we have to subtract, right?
Subtract your two answers.
It's gonna be 24 feet squared minus what?
Subtract
4 feet
84
squared.
feet square.
Minus
No.
what? Minus 84 feet squared.
84 squared.
Very good. And what did y'all get for that one?
I got 140 feet squared.
140 feet square.
Gonna be equal to
140 feet.
100. 140 feet squared. Did you get it on Winnet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else got all 3, right? Anyone else got all 3?
I
right?
did.
Yes, sir.
I did.
I did.
I did.
Kaden, you got all 3?
I did.
I did.
Alora, did you get any of these right?
Wait, I didn't.
Only A.
Say it again.
Only A.
Only A. Okay. Make sure I write this down so you can be able to get the second one. So you'll be able to get these answers, all right? Write this down, Alora. Understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go inside the chat and answer these ones. Inside the chat, what is the area of the first one?
We're gonna do length times width.
Length times width is going to be 5 times 7, which is what?
35 inches squared.
Very good, 35 inches squared. Number 2, which I left for that one?
L times width, area 6 times 3,
Yes.
18 feet squared.
18 feet squared, very good. And then number 3, which I left for that one?
4 times 8, which is 32 yards.
4 times 8 is what?
32
32 yards, what?
squared.
Yards squared, very good. All right, when you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then you can leave. Madeline, did you get any of these right?
Yes, sir. I got them all right.
Very good. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care.
Bye, Mr. Petit.
Take care.
Bye,
Take
Mr.
care.
Petit.
Take care. Take care. Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye, Mr. Petite.
All right, take care.
You for teaching us.
Thank you.